Hey team, I hope you're doing really well, having a great week. My 2 minute conviction is that leadership can be simple, even if it's not easy. In a world where we're inundated with information and data and facts and literature around the complexities and nuances of leadership, I just want to distill it to my four most basic attributes. Number one, leadership is about setting direction. Number two, it's about gaining the commitment of other people. Number three, it's about facilitating change. And number four, it's all of those three to get results. These are the things that I think create leadership effect in the world around us, enabling you to have positive influence and impact. And sometimes I think in the world of semantics and management and corporate environments, we overcomplicate our world, and it gives the impression that leadership is for the few rather than the many. But my encouragement is we can all lead. In fact, we should all lead around causes that we have conviction in and things that matter to us. We can have positive influence, and the way we do that is we set direction, we gain commitment, we facilitate change to get results. So I hope that just demystifies something about leadership and helps you think that you can lead right where you are with what you have today. That's my 2 minute conviction. Have a great week.